Hi guys, it's Hila here, Saturday Night Stitch, and welcome to my channel. Today's post is a super quick beginner's guide to how to use grasser sewing patterns. I love using grasser sewing patterns and I've used them several times, and I just wanted to share with you how easy it is to use them. So first of all, I'm using the example of a free sewing pattern. They have loads of free sewing patterns. Do go check them out. Their sizes are based on your height, so they cater to petite and tall sizes as well. The sizes are measured in metric, not imperial, metric. So I'm selecting a size 44 there because my bust measures 88 centimeters and my height is between 167 and 170. So I just click on that. And because it's a free download, you download it straight away as a zip file, which means when you click to open it and it extracts the files, you've got your A4, your A0 copy shop, and you also have your instructions. There is a pattern page that you have to print out to make sure that you've got your dimensions correct, and you measure that 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters, which is standard protocol for any PDF or downloadable sewing pattern. And how you do that is you make sure that your printer settings are not set to scale. One thing about grasser is that they include the seam allowances, but the seam allowances are industrial seam allowances. So the side seam is only 1 centimeter. It's a learning curve, but it is absolutely doable. And do remember to just print out that first page first, and then just check that it is exactly 10 centimeters on both sides. It's a 10 centimeter square. You don't even want it to be out by even 1 millimeter because that adds up. Okay, so this is how economical grasser are. That dress, it only has got those 2 rows in that column, and they do all of the writing down for you, telling you the pattern number, pattern piece, the size, and how many that you have to cut out. And as you can see there, the slit has been given a wider seam allowance, but otherwise, apart from the side seam allowance, all the other ones have got an even smaller seam allowance than 1 centimeter. I'm going to be making my dress out of one of these 3 fabrics. I hadn't chosen at this point which one I was going to use. The pattern, because of the smaller seam allowances, you can actually make a dress using just 1 meter of fabric. So that moonlight blue fabric that I have there, I only have 1 meter, but it would be enough to actually make an entire dress. And that's actually the one that I ended up choosing to make the dress out of. So I just did a double fold and pinned everything down and just cut into my fabric to make this dress up. This pattern does come with a PDF that has instructions, but they are in Russian. So hopefully you've got someone who can translate for you. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful to show you how you too could try out grasser sewing patterns, and that they're not quite as daunting as they seem, and they've got all of those wonderful free patterns that you can try out to get an idea of what the fit is like for you, and to get an idea of how you might work around with those smaller industrial seam allowances. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Hit me up in the comments down below. I'd be more than happy to clarify anything for you. So beyond trying out the free patterns where you don't have to put in any payment details, when you buy the ones that are on sale, they show you the price in Russian rubles. So you can check the conversion rate on Google just by typing in Russian rubles into either US dollars or Great British pounds, whichever you want to. But you do have the option of paying using PayPal. And as you know, as long as you use PayPal, you do have buyer protection. So you don't have to worry about your details or anything like that. It is a very safe way to buy if you're using PayPal. And I use PayPal for all of my grasser purchases. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video and that you found it useful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, subscribed for new sewing related content often, regularly. You know, I put out content on a regular basis. And until I see you in the next video, happy sewing, guys. Bye.